Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Feedback, the app has been not working. The app has been issues problem and Google Health Server error. Check your status feedback.com and try to again. And error code 500 error show problems. But any problem, the update is video to watching and step by step the problem, the solution update now. First the facing the problem, but problem the one step the most important. Open the Play Store, iPhone, Android. Same processing has been updated now. Update the completed Google's and Bit app has been updated now. Two step the imported. Internet connection the checking. Wi-Fi routed completed 10 seconds has been refreshed now. And my devices has been air mode has been on off now. The selected has been air mode on off. Three step the press the app has been selected, app information the selected information, the detail has been app has been selected, the officially the permission selected, and officially the selected permission has been location selected, the officially all processing completed and read and important last step the status updated the checking, officially the status updated the checking now red line issues problems face cam problem.